Hello guys, magandang oras sa ating lahat guys. Mayroon tayong coins dito guys na 50 centavos na si Marcelo H. Del Pilar. At mayroong taon na 1971. Tapusin lang ang video guys dahil i-share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Pilipinas. The 1971 50 centavos coin from the Philippines features an important history or historical context and is a significant part of the country's numismatic history. Historical information. Issuance: the 50 centimos coin was part of a series of a coin issued by the Central Bank of the Philippines in 1971. The coin was minted as part of a redesign of the country's currency system during the presidency of Ferdinand Marcos. Commemoration of national figures. The coin features a portrait of Marcelo H. Del Pilar, a prominent Filipino nationalist, journalist, and revolutionary. Del Pilar is considered one of the country's great heroes who fought for Philippine independence during the Spanish colonial period. Composition. The coin was struck in bronze and has a diameter of 23 mm with a weight of approximately 7 grams. The design shows Marcelo H. Del Pilar profile along with the inscription Marcelo H. Del Pilar. And the year 1971. Significance of the year. The year 1971 was important because it marked the release of the new coinage under the administration of Ferdinand Marcos, which replaced older coins that were seen as part of the pre-Marcelo monetary system. Coin features. Obverse. The portrait of Marcelo H. Del Pilar with his name inscribed. Reverse. The denomination 50 centimos and the inscription Republika ng Pilipinas or Republic of the Philippines. Mint mark. The coin was minted by the Philippines or the Philippine Mint. Value. Numismatic value. The value of the 1971 50 centimos coin largely depends on its condition, grade, and collector's demand. Coins in circulated conditions may be worth around 1 to 5 US dollar. In uncirculated or proof condition, the coin could be valued higher, potentially reaching around 10 to 20 US dollar or more. So umabot ng 573 pesos and 40 centavos and up to 1,146 pesos and 80 centavos. So hindi na masama guys, medyo mataas talaga ang price pagka uncirculated condition. Collectability coins with historical or significance, such as those featuring key figures in the country's history like Marcelo H. Del Pilar, can have a higher premium depend on their rarity, condition, and current market. Coins from this series are somewhat common, but a pristine specimen could attract more interest. To determine a more accurate value, it's best to consult a numismatic expert or auction house specializing in Filipino coins, as market values can fluctuate based on demand, the specific conditions of the coin, and trends in coin collecting. So napakaganda palang explanation dito guys tungkol dito sa ating barya guys. At yan guys ang nakuha nating mga impormasyon. At maraming salamat guys panood. At God bless sa ating lahat.